Hi, this is Abby Rogers with DriSteam. In this video, I'm going to walk through the standard maintenance steps DriSteam recommends for the RTS Humidifier RX series. Be sure to review all guidelines, warnings, and cautions in the IOM before you begin your work on site. Here's a list of tools and supplies you will need. A USB flash drive with the most current version of the controller firmware, wiring diagram. The wiring diagram is supplied with the humidifier, but it's a good idea to bring one, as the supplied one might not be easy to find on site. Your DriSteam rep can email you the wiring diagram. Building water test report. Most municipalities have water reports online. Cleaning tools, example putty knife or scraper. Basic hand tools, drill with driver bits, clamp, meter, and of course the RTS IOM for detailed information on how to perform the maintenance tasks. Now we'll walk through the components and connection points you'll be looking at when performing maintenance. Downstream devices communicating with VaporLogic controller, demand signal from transmitter, high limit controller, airflow proving switch, water supply connection for tap, softened RO or DI water, water drain connection. 1-stage and 2-stage connections are located underneath the unit. 3-stage and 4-stage connections are located on the right side of the unit. A standard maintenance visit for the RTS humidifier will take about 1 to 4 hours. Unit size and other factors will affect the amount of time required. At least annually, and whenever maintenance is performed, inspect the tank and gaskets for leaks. Measure current draw of heaters and verify amp values per stage by comparing to the wiring diagram located inside the sub-panel cover. This identifies any burned out heaters. All safety devices in the control circuit should be cycled on and off to verify they are functioning. These include high limit switch, airflow proving switch, and low water level probe. Pull out probe plug, and the fill valve should energize. Seasonally, or as required depending on water quality, clean the tank and water level probes. If the tank is hot, cool it down first. See Cool Down Humidifier section of the RTS IOM. Allow the tank to drain completely. Shut off the water supply. Shut off the electrical supply. Disconnect the electrical plug between the heaters and the bottom of the electrical panel. There is one connector per stage. Disconnect by pulling on plug housing. Remove the tank heater plate. See the RTS IOM for procedure. Clean the tank interior using a putty knife or similar flat instrument. Unplug the probe plug assembly and leave ground wire connected to the tank. Unscrew the probe rod assembly using the probe tool and clean probe housing, ensuring that all passageways for water flow are clear. Clean probe rods using steel wool or similar mild abrasive material. Clean heating elements. Install removed components and new gaskets. In an alternating pattern, provide 6 deep-inch pounds torque for heater plate nuts during reinstallation, and reconnect the heater electrical plug. Install the probe and probe plug assembly. Verify ground wire is solidly connected to the tank. Verify that the DIN rail-mounted components are securely fastened to the DIN rail. Verify that all power terminal screws and lugs are tight from power block to heaters. Verify that all plugs under the humidifier cover are completely plugged in. Turn on the water supply, turn on the electrical power, and install any removed covers. For off-season maintenance, perform complete inspection and cleaning of the following: heaters, probe rods, skimmer port and water seal, and the humidifier tank. After cleaning, the humidifier should remain empty until humidification is required. Before you head to the site, here are some things you should verify. The unit can be shut down long enough for maintenance to be completed, and that the maintenance location for the unit is clear and ready. The best way to determine how often your humidifier needs maintenance is to remove the tank cover and inspect it for mineral deposits after 3 months of duty. Hours of operation and duty cycle will determine your maintenance schedule, as will water quality. Now you are ready to perform routine maintenance of the RTS Humidifier RX series. Taking time to plan and perform maintenance on a regular schedule will keep the equipment up and running at peak performance for many years.